The first supersonic aircraft, the Concorde, flew its maiden flight in 1969 and was heralded as a huge advancement in the air travel technology. The iconic aircraft entered commercial service in 1976 and continued for 27 years. Only 20 aircraft were ever built, and its specialty was flying a super-fast, regular transatlantic flight from Heathrow Airport in London to New York in the United States. Cruising at more than twice the speed of sound, the Concorde typically crossed the Atlantic in under 3.5 hours. Considering the 5-hour time difference between London and New York, the plane actually arrived at its destination in New York before it had taken off. Great Britain and France were working on a supersonic aircraft back in the 1950s and eventually teamed up to create the Concorde as a collaborative effort. The Concorde boasted some amazing features, including a lowering nose for better visibility when landing, a cruising speed of 2,170 km per hour, and the plane was the first civil airliner equipped with an analog fly-by-wire flight control system. A fly-by-wire flight control system replaces manual control of the aircraft with an electronic interface. Initial orders of hundreds dwindled to just 14 after construction and running cost estimates blew out. On July 25, 2000, Air France Flight 4590 crashed in France, killing all 100 passengers and 9 crew on board due to a burst tyre. In 2003, British Airways and Air France announced it would retire the plane due to low passenger numbers following the crash of Flight 4590, as well as the suffering air travel industry following the September 11 terrorist attacks.